Okay guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a cool NPC like this. And also I'm gonna be showing you how to make them move and everything. I'm gonna teach you how to make them move, how to talk, make them talk. And also by talk, I don't mean by like where you actually have to click on that little notification on top and then they just say something. They just say it randomly, like automatically. And hopefully I'm gonna teach you how to make it have like not like a blue line on it, because of Roblox's systems have something that lets you disable the blue line. First of all, you'll need to make an NPC. Like I created this one like this, or you could just use load character, but I'm gonna just type in myself for example and spawn an R6. I honestly like R6 better than R15. Now I have this. This guy is also R6. I'm gonna just go the quicker way. Now, I would recommend using Moon Animator to choose how you want to stage it, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna just rotate this. Oh, oops, sometimes it does that. Sorry. I have to open up F3X and do it. Now you just have to pose it however you want. And now I'm gonna go to the next arm. And this usually just works really good with F3X. So now that I'm done posing him, what we can do now is animate him. But right now I'm going to show you how to make this if you don't want to use any plugin. Like this, I don't use any plugin except for insert a set. Most people have an insert a set plugin, but it comes with a model. Those aren't good. So I would recommend you use this one. I'm going to put the link in the description. So first what you need to do is move this guy. And just keep this guy as an example in case I forget. So what you want to do is basically you want to get a bunch of IDs. Like a cartoony rainbow head. You could just copy that and paste it. But before you copy anything, you must be wondering how you make that guy. So I would recommend you either use an R15 mesh rig, not a block rig, but a mesh rig, or an R6 mesh rig and a block rig. But before you click on block rig, I'm going to show you something you could get from the catalog. It's called R6 rig with mesh. You type in this R6 mesh rig, R15, there's a bunch of these. I would recommend using this one. This is basically just a normal R6 rig with a round head instead of square. Because if I just build a rig or R6 block rig, it has a weird head. But right now I'm gonna just make a mesh rig. I actually do like walkie figures, but not really in a studio game. First, what you want to do is just get your stuff. But and also if you want it to look good, if you don't like it looking good, well then just get off the tutorial and just paint it. But watch, if I add body colors, there's like this weird invisible block making it look weird. If you just select this and just delete the humanoid root part, it should make it better. And now if you need a root part, just go to primary part, go to your explorer, and then click on torso. Either torso or head. I would recommend torso because sometimes you might end up deleting your head or something. Now what you want to do is open up here and just get a shirt. So I've been getting shirts right now, so if I just search, oh wait, yeah, I'm gonna just actually insert the set, and hopefully I have an ID. And yeah, I have this little cartoon rainbow head. You just add it on this guy, boom. Now if this ever ends up happening where like in a set and then the original thingy comes, just set the transparency to 1. Now that should look better and you still have your head. Now what you want to do is find any shirt or anything. Now what you want to do is just copy its ID and just paste it in like I did. Now add it to the guy, and ooh, now I added a top hat like this guy. Pretty soon this guy's gonna look exactly the same. Now what I want to do is just keep inserting the sets that you have, like this. I'm gonna add that, and oh, that's a cartoon rainbow head. So I forgot. So now I have to click on the third one and click confirm. What is happening? I have to click on the fourth one. Now it should be a shirt. You have to actually go look and find different shirts. I already found these. Now you just keep inserting the set until your character looks good. Now this should be the pants. Yeah. Now I'm almost done. I had to insert a body colors to this guy. You have to insert one too, but if you want, you could just yeah, sometimes body colors doesn't work. That's why sometimes I would recommend deleting them and just go to one of your arms and now just choosing a color and boom. Now this guy looks exactly like this. And now we could use him. Now search. Now I'm gonna show you an auto talk script that doesn't include viruses. Okay, I've seen some of them that, now this has a chance of having a virus, so just delete that, like delete it. There's one that actually that's now we could use this. Okay. Now, this one doesn't have a virus because of it didn't have anything sketchy. It might look exactly the same, but it isn't. Now we have this, but if you want, you could just copy this. Now behind while true do, just do this and put a wait. Now put blah blah, put 5 seconds, do this, now just paste that, and yeah. And I like chat color white. Now if I play, I don't want it to move freely, so I'm not going to show you how to make it move freely. Oh, let me just, I forgot to put the script inside of the guy. Okay, so a guy sadly cannot talk. I have been doing very bad with scripts today. I don't know why. Because usually I'm good at scripts, but none of these scripts have been working. But so I'm gonna put this plugin's link in the description. And now if I just rename this starter character, I can make it a starter character. Or I could go to this model I have called Morph Kit for YouTube. I'm this up. Then I could just delete all of this. And now use this guy. Now keep the morph button somewhere safe, like server storage. Now all we have to do is click on this guy. Just delete this guy, we won't need him. Click on this. Now if we go over to server storage, click on morph button, the smart morph button. Now just go right into this, the NPC we made. Now we need to place it by removing the morph button and placing it. Now this seems a bit better. Now we could just move this into them. Now let's test it out. Oh, and also I'm gonna just open up this and spawn in our 6. I'm gonna just make this my starter character. And the reason why I'm making starter characters is because of I didn't make this in an R6 game, so yeah. Because by default this is an R15 game, and I don't really know why. For some reason it always sets it like that, and I don't really like it. So now I'm this guy named Already Pro. Step on this thing and wait for it, and there we go. I got this shirt. The head doesn't really work for some reason because of I actually need one of those hats. But watch, I got cool like shirts. I got like nice shirts and stuff, and yeah. So that's how you make NPCs. And also, whoa, what happened to that? And also make sure to anchor them, the ones that you're using in your game, anchor them. And now watch, let me just pause the video. Okay, so I just came back and I used a free model. I don't recommend using free models. This was just for the video. I made a little sign that says no hacking, and he's pointing to it. So now if we like run the game, just wait for it to load. And now I'm already pro. I don't know why he still looks like this. You could just grab some clothes. Oh, you could delete this. I'm gonna show you how to make a morph in a future video. And now watch, he's all anchored and he won't move. That's what we wanted. And now it's as if he's pointing to no hacking. And that's how you make NPCs in Roblox. I'm gonna add the plugin link in the description. Bye guys.